IT's all yours today. Download 500 plus brand new, high-quality, HD travel videos. With 100% unrestricted private label rights to resell and profit from Effortlessly. You are about to get instant access to an exclusive collection of 500 plus HD travel video content that you can use in your projects. But that's not all. The best part is that these high-quality travel videos also come with full unrestricted private label rights opportunity. These videos are amazing. I would love to give it 10 stars if possible. Your deivery were more than my expectations. High definitions, location descriptions and incredible viewpoints. And thanks for the extra added bonus, they are great and definitely useful. They are going to put me in extra profits. Thank you, Melinda J. These videos are amazing. I would love to give it 10 stars if possible. Your deivery were more than my expectations. High definitions, location descriptions and incredible viewpoints. And thanks for the extra added bonus, they are great and definitely useful. They are going to put me in extra profits. Thank you, Melinda J. 4 out of every 5 persons picked this up. Everyone loves it. I highly recommend you download them before the price increases. You can share these high-quality travel videos across all your social media channels and build strong bonding with your followers. You can as well use it for your projects. You can use it any way you like. It's all yours. All content is 100% compatible with Instagram, Facebook etc. and any cell phone, so you don't have to spend any extra time on editing. You can use these videos on your websites and social accounts to attract more visitors. It will really help you to drive more free traffic that generates you leads and get sales. These HD travel videos are 100% premium high quality. 100% safe for all kinds of use. Completely brand new. Use all videos for your projects. Free for commercial use. No attribution required. Location description. And 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Click on the button below to secure your access now. Wait. There's still more. Pick up these 500 plus HD travel videos today. And I'll include the following exclusive bonuses. This exclusive bonus is time limited. Travel File Extra Bonus. Inside this bonus, you get a staggering value of travel PLR-related content such as ebooks, articles, videos and more. These travel files cover travel and hotels niche that includes travel tips, camping, beach vacation, leisure travel, top hotels, family travel, vacations and more and more. Inside this bonus, you'll get instant access to 7,600 hotel and travel PLR articles, ebook pack, 200 stock photos, 60 hotel and travel full HD stock videos. You can use them to boost your business, create info products or resell for profit as your own. Cat and Kitten Bonus. Grab these high-quality 200 plus travel videos before the timer clocks 0. And you'll also get instant access to extra brand new cats, kitten pictures and videos for your social media content. P.S. This exclusive bonus pack is high definition, new, and very appealing.